Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your credit on Credit Karma if you previously placed the credit lock or freeze. First, open the Credit Karma app or go to the Credit Karma website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and look for the Identity or Credit Monitoring section. From there, find the option related to Credit Lock or Credit Freeze. Tap or click on the Credit Lock or Freeze option to view your current credit status. If your credit is locked or frozen, select the option to unlock or unfreeze it. Credit Karma may ask you to verify your identity by entering a PIN, password, or completing a security check. After confirming, submit the request to unlock your credit. In most cases, the change takes effect within minutes. Once completed, you should see a confirmation showing that your credit is now unlocked and accessible to lenders. And that's how you unlock your credit on Credit Karma. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.